दारगळी सनबर्न आयोजित करपा खातीर गोंय मुंबय उच्च न्यायालयान सशर्त मान्यताय दिल्या. सनबर्न स्थगीत करपाची याचिकादारांची मागणी अमान्य केली अशी माहिती ॲडव्होकेट जनरल देविदास पांगम हांणी दिली. हायकोर्टाच्या आदेशा प्रमाण आयोजकांक सगळे नेम पाळचे पडटले. दारगळी जावपी सनबर्ना विरोधात वट्ट 3 याचिका दाखल केल्ल्यो. ताचेर शुक्रारा सुनावणी जावन ह्या याचिका हायकोर्टान निकालान काडल्यो.
It was heard in detail by the High Court. High Court has now pronounced the order. High Court has said that as far as Sunburn festival is concerned, it will go on with certain conditions and some interim arrangements as far as noise pollution is concerned, as far as traffic is concerned. The state is supposed to take all precautions. There will be high officials at the site throughout the event, and as far as traffic is concerned, it will be monitored by the police. The event organizer also should take all the precautions which are to be taken in terms of the earlier directions of the High Court, and several guidelines of the government of Goa are there. They have to be all complied with, and with the compliance of with all these conditions and requirements, the High Court has said that the event shall go on, and they will monitor this, and the matter will be taken up after the event to find out whether there are any breaches, and if there is anything to be improved or any action is required to be taken. See, the law is very clear right from the Supreme Court up to our High Court. As far as Gram Sabha is concerned, the powers of Gram Sabha are very, very limited. Construction license, permissions, events, etc. These powers are not conferred upon Gram Sabha under any law. These powers are given to the Panchayat body, which is an elected body. All these powers have to be exercised by the Panchayat body. So therefore, I don't have any doubt in my mind. And as far as this country is concerned, there is no doubt in anybody's mind that Gram Sabha does not have all these powers. That was exactly argued before the High Court. All the judgments were shown. There were judgments of the High Court which were shown to the division bench. The judgment of the Supreme Court was also shown to say that the Gram Sabha does not have inherent power. It is a creature of a statute. Its powers are restricted which are conferred upon it. And these type of powers are not there with the Gram Sabha, and that is what the law is of the country. Permission in the sense that High Court has said that we are not staying the holding of this event. However, the conditions as imposed by the law, conditions as imposed by the government, and the statements which are made by the government before the High Court and by the organizer to take precautions and measures during this event will be part of the order, and those conditions will be complied with by the organizers as well as by the government.